So welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how you can earn this type of dogs that you, if you missed, not, or you get not, doesn't matter. So here with me that I already shared with you this dogs post. Everybody is talking about it. So what you need to do in order to join is just click on that and click on that link that I provided, and just just tap on that. Okay, if I show you this way, okay, my earning you will see here. Okay, it is as simple as that. Okay, so here is that is opening. If you notice their apps, here is my point is showing up. So anyhow, this is my point, you will get the same point. And here is what is work is just invite people. Okay, so if you don't want, ignore that. Just if you have, so here is docs is going to list on lbank, docs is going to list on bings, docs is going to list on XT exchange. There's a like couple of exchange is already interested to get listed on their exchange, and it is just early. Okay, there is like not yet that is listed. Okay, it is before listed. They're providing couple of airdrop. Okay, so if you want to join in this airdrops, just um, in this video's description box you will get my telegram channel link. Come through that telegram channel, and my latest post is all about docs. So here is docs is going to list it. So I already showed you, just click on link and that's it, nothing complicated. Okay, here is you are seeing your point here, and here is your account is based on they gave you something like some point. It is not point, it is 838 docs you get. Okay, that you can able to send later. Maybe they will give you an option to send on anywhere. Okay, so here is home option, letterboard, and friend option. So I'm showing you. So here is home, letterboard, and friend. So inside of this friend you can invite, and each of invite you will get 42 docs. If you want you can do it, or if you don't want to invite, what you need to do is just, if you have multiple telegram channel, you can easily create multiple telegram channels by your mobile phone. So what you need to do is just paste your link and join each of those accounts that you created multiple. Okay, so this is the tricks that I showed you, multiple way doing invite and doing getting point. Okay, as much a point as you can earn, and the more point you have, the more you will get airdrop. So if you have any offer that you get that I have missed, please write down comment and let me know about that that offer through the DM me, and through contact me, and I will be glad to you, because I'm a human. I am not looking for every offer, because there's a lot of offer in the internet space, but I have missed a lot. Okay, so here is just slightly popular that I get, but there's a lot of offer that is existing that I don't know. If you know, please check out this video description box. You will get my contact info and know me about your offer. I will definitely do research about that, and I will cover about that video. Okay, so this is the update. So if you like me, if you like this video, if you like this information, please check out this video description box and come into our telegram channel. So here is our telegram channel. So in this telegram channel there's a lot of people. So you are seeing, I'm showing you those people here. So they are from different country: Nigeria, Cameroon, Middle East. So I'm so interesting about it. So I had just a couple of guy, 5-7 guys. So now it is a lot of. I glad to all of you, so those who are watching this video and included among them. So if you are not part of this community, please join by checking of this video's description box. I will be glad to you. So if you need any help, please let me know. Okay, I'm ready to help you. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.